Alrighty, today we're working on this. We got to change lawnmower blades. I took the blades off already because I had to go match them up with the new ones and use the old ones. As you can see, they're used up. Oops. Do happen to have it here. Blades. And it's always great to have one of these. Tried that before, hanging from a tree. Alrighty. Now we've got it posted up. On this mower, there's actually, we could take the whole deck out. It comes out and real easy. You pull these, one on each side, and then it drops down, and you can slip it out there, and then you unhook the blade engagement cable right there, and the whole deck just comes right out. It's really, really easy. And we'll take off the nut. And camera down. And let's see. Bottom it says. Put it in there. Goes in the slot. There you can see. These are star blades. This is a 42-inch cut. That's the way they're supposed to be. Put the nut back on. This is a Troy Built tractor, but Troy Built owns MTD now, so basically it's an MTD with a Kohler motor. But I've noticed that since Troy Built actually bought MTD, what comes out of that factory is much better. I'm not worried. My dad's got a John Deere, which the frame and everything on it's basically the same one. Yes. So that. There you go. Now, one thing you got to watch on these kinds of tractors is you'll notice here the blade hangs over. These blades will actually mesh and hit each other if you don't put them on there right. See how close the tolerance is? So what you want to do is you want to slightly off or halfway off. That way when you first get it going, they won't hit. Once you wear the blades down, it doesn't matter. Do that. And you get your trusty tools here. Put a little bit of tight on them. On both of them. And then block up here.
Cool.
Tool on. Squish the block a bit in the front. And tighten.
That's cool being the cameraman.
Then you do the same thing to the other side.
Okay. I hear a cat.
Okay. I'm gonna put that on that one. Okay. Do that. Let me see the camera.
Tiger.
Let me see the camera. Alright. Now we got it up here. We're gonna check everything. Make sure it's all good. The belt's in good shape. All the cable linkages are in good shape. Whoa!
Cover those cats, get out. Tiger's out.
Tiger was already out. I let him out. There goes Looney and Tiger. They're playing. Alright. You want to let it down? Just almost flat.
What shade is it?
That one.
This is...
Yeah. No, go the other way. Go on the other one.
Oh.
What now? No, wait, I told you wrong. That one. Let the brake in. Keep going. Turn the blade control back off. Alright, that's good. Start it up. Hit on the feet. Hit on the feet. Okay.
That's so weird. Is it what?
I'll take two because I forgot to take the block out. I'm an idiot.
Okay.
Light it up.